Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here. It is week 5 in the second semester. It's the beginning of March in the Northwest, which means it is still cold, but spring is just around the corner. That means a little bit warmer, and some of our athletes gear up for increased competition. Our BMX riders are in full-on competition mode. Our soccer players are beginning to attend tournaments, and our hockey players are working hard to make the playoffs. We have many other athletes that I didn't mention today, but best of luck to all of them. Last week was the deadline for the February progress period. This week, teachers will be correcting those last-minute submissions and preparing progress marks in addition to our regularly scheduled programming. The quote for this week is by the former president of India, whose name is Abdul Kalam. He said, "You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely your habits will change your future." All right, everyone, have a great week. Bye.